Hexagonal lights often utilize light-emitting diode LED technology, known for its energy efficiency. LEDs consume significantly less energy compared to traditional incandescent or fluorescent lights, contributing to lower electricity bills. LEDs have a longer lifespan than traditional light sources. Hexagonal lights with LED technology can last tens of thousands of hours, reducing the frequency of replacements and minimizing waste. LEDs emit very little heat in comparison to incandescent bulbs, which emit a substantial amount of heat as a byproduct of light production. This characteristic not only saves energy but also contributes to a cooler environment, especially in spaces where air conditioning is used. LED hexagonal lights provide instant illumination without the warm-up time required by some traditional light sources. This instantaneous lighting reduces energy consumption associated with waiting for lights to reach full brightness. Many LED hexagonal lights come with dimming capabilities, allowing users to adjust the brightness according to their needs. Dimming lights when full brightness is not necessary can result in additional energy savings. LEDs are inherently directional light sources, meaning they emit light in a specific direction without the need for reflectors or diffusers. This characteristic reduces light wastage and ensures that the majority of the emitted light is directed where it is needed. Some hexagonal lights with LED technology can be integrated into smart lighting systems. Smart controls enable users to schedule lighting, adjust brightness remotely, and optimize energy usage based on occupancy and daylight conditions. LED technology contains no hazardous materials, making hexagonal lights with LEDs environmentally friendly. Their energy efficiency contributes to lower carbon footprints, aligning with sustainable and eco-friendly practices. Due to their long lifespan and durability, hexagonal lights with LED technology result in lower maintenance costs over time. Reduced maintenance requirements translate to additional energy savings in terms of both time and resources. In summary, the energy-saving advantages of hexagonal lights, particularly when equipped with LED technology, encompass reduced power consumption, longer lifespan, low heat emission, and smart control capabilities. Integrating these lights into your space not only enhances aesthetics but also aligns with sustainable and energy-efficient practices.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is